Hey guys, Alex is here. How to make a DIY battery bank at home. It's very easy for us to do this. But all you need is just a plastic box, and then you just need to cut it to shapes. I'll just show you the equipments or components which are required. This is a box which you need to cut, so that this is the point where the USB enters. Then this USB board which you'll get from Amazon, and the battery bank. That's all that you require. There is a B plus and B minus lead on this which you have to solder the equipments with, and that is very easy for you to just you just have to take care where you're soldering, that you'll have to take the plus and minus part probably separately, and then ensure that the both parts of the board is being properly soldered. The way to test that your soldering is proper is just to pull this and see that if it's soldered post the drying part takes place. It's very easy for us to do this, for kids to probably have a DIY project. And, for people, travelers who travel around, who do not have an option for charging this, and suppose if you don't want to charge this at an unknown place, so you can probably use this as a charging circuit. Post charging, I mean, post, soldering the cables onto the respective board, you just have to solder this onto the respective battery, and thus you while soldering you just have to ensure that it is at the positive lead that you are soldering from the positive of the board, and the negative lead from the negative of the board. Please ensure that you properly solder this with the positive lead and the negative lead. If it gets crossed, then it's basically shorting the respective board, so it may cause a damage for your board, so all the work that you've done might not be in proper sense. So to avoid that, you have to just ensure that this respective board is being done properly. Once that is done, you just have to set it in the respective box. Any box can do, just for shape. So I've just taken this to to minimize the compatibility of this. Now just to check the working post soldering, you just have to plug this your ear into this, and then charge it onto a mobile or whatever device you have. See, like this, and once the charging is active, the backlight for LEDs will be lighting, and as you can see, the mobile is being respectively charged. Post that, we just have to beautify the respective battery bank and just set it up into the respective box, and then keep it sealed. It's very easy for people, during this rainy season and all, so that suppose if there is no current and all, you can respect it. If you like this video, do like and subscribe. And if you like to see more videos about this, do hit the bell button. Thank you so much.